We're going to try to come to consensus on what's the best answer and why as a class. We have to defend it, okay? In your groups, see if you agree. Go. Okay. You think they're hypotheses?
Okay,
you guys defend it? You like this? You guys maybe argue with her and defend your answers just that way. And see if you agree. Go ahead and debate. You guys defend but check out your
And you use it so lawyer time.
I think that Allison was right because she's saying that it's a net, so you have to make it into a cube.
Okay, I'm kind of excited about this because it sounds like to me it's about 50-50.
My idea was that we take a vote on who likes Alex's idea and who likes hobbies. And I see who has their hand up and someone who hasn't talked yet come up and defend the answer that they voted for. So who likes Alex's idea? Who likes Bobby's idea? Okay, Sebastian?
Because it's going to be a 3D shape, and 3D is for volume, so that's what I've been doing.
I'm just saying, it's like, they're both, like, really good questions, and it doesn't really matter which one goes, like, it's, like, you don't even know what the question is, so that means, like, we don't know if it's right or wrong unless we all can do to someone, and Mr. Jones says that it's like,
I agree on the points because instead of it. I agree on the points because it's a 2B right now. It's not a 2B, and she's saying how it is already drawn.
Well, the reason that I agreed on Bobby's idea is because Alex said that it would like be built into. Alex, she said that the shape will be built into a 3D shape, but I think if you wanted us to find like the volume of the 3D shape, you would have drawn the 3D shape on there. But he drew the net, so that's why I thought it was Bobby's answer was better. Alex.
Well, I like Alex's answer better because our fifth question, like lesson 5, it was about volume, so I think he's trying to teach us like a new concept about volume.
I like Alex's better because I think it makes more sense than Bobby's. That's just for me. Anybody else have this one?
I don't agree with either of them.
Like he said to do the most mathematical one that he wanted us to do. I disagree today by well, this kind of doesn't make sense because what I think Mr. Jones is trying to teach us is that how to make a question out of just a picture and call
Nolan says there was no question. Go ahead and talk about what you think about it. That's not a question.
Anybody disagree now?
Please say no.
I think we have a consensus, Mr. Jones.
Who agrees?
We have a consensus.
Is there a consensus?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. So the answer is there is no question, there is no answer?
Yes.
Okay. I disagree. Grab a part to talk about. Let's go.
Surface area is like the area. It's sort of different.
So you do the 9 on the top.
County gives us 19 kids. There's like 30 kids. But maybe some people.
Well, it's not truly a consensus. It's not everybody agrees on one thing.
So should we do a vote?
We'll just do a
Majority vote.
Well, we combine both answers and determine who
I want to do a majority vote.
I disagree because I think we should have a debate, like the whole class. Like the vote on Alex will go on one side and then
Okay. So if you agree with Alex, get up and move over here. If you agree with Bobby, get up and move over here. Let's do it. Last one, debate.
I know, right? I feel like standing up
You have to make a choice.
and wear the halo
Alex this side, Bobby this side.
You guys say the center?
Now, you guys look at the time. We have about 7 minutes to finish this. So let's do a quick debate. I would say, if you have something strong to say, stand up and give your opinion. This side, stand up, give your opinion. Okay, let's debate quickly. But listen, but because of the time, I think after the debate, we probably will take majority vote. Because we're running out of time, okay? So let's give it a shot. Maybe you don't need the debate, you can say which side goes first.
Just say why you vote Alex.
I agree with Alex's because it makes more sense to me, and that once it's made, that it would be 27.
Good.
I think they're both right answers. So we just basically there's no one answer that's right and there's no one answer that's wrong. So we're basically just voting on which answer.
We'll just combine both answers to make them sound exactly similar.
Who wants to debate with me and decide?
Well, I think Alex's question and answer, I like them, but this shape, he might not have even meant a net. It might have just been a shape, and it might have just been find the area of the shape. But Pop wrote, what is the area of the net? So it could have just been a shape.
Allison?
Well, I think in Bobby's answer, it is wrong because we just learned about area yesterday. And each day we have a new thing. I think Bobby's answer is right because right now it's a net, but right now it's two-dimensional. It's not 3D yet, so it's 54.
I think we should just agree on one and then draw just to
Yeah, we're agreeing, so we're right.
Yeah, we got more to go up.
Okay. My answer, even though it just says area, even after it's made, it's still a surface area.
It shows what you mean.
So, even after it's made, the area of the cube, the surface area of the cube will still be.
Show us a picture.
I'm not good at drawing. No, I seriously don't know how.
to draw. And she can refer to as drawing while we're talking. Okay. Listen up.
On the box, right now, all the sides are 9, and even after we make it, all the sides will still be 9. So it doesn't, even after it's made, my answer of 54 does not change.
I'm trying to understand everything you said. You said something about surface area, but I don't know what that means. Can you tell the class what that means?
Okay, surface area is the area of all of the surfaces on a three-dimensional object. So
how's that relate to what you? Go ahead and have a seat, Alex.
Okay, so on this box, on the net, each of these sides was 9, and so when you make it, all the sides are still 9.
Can you show us?
So. There's 9 on this side, 9 on all the other sides too.
Oh, I understand. Okay, I was trying to understand what she was saying. This is what I heard her say. You tell me if you think this is what she's really saying. What she's saying is that if you take this and put it together, you call it surface area? Is that what you call it?
Yes.
Okay, so one more time, what is surface area?
It's the area of each surface on a three-dimensional thing.
Like add it all together? Okay, so I think what Pavi is saying is that if she takes this net and puts it together, that the area of this figure is the same thing as the surface area of this cube. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
So you're saying there's a connection between the net and the cube with respect to surface area by putting it together. So we can see that this has an area of 9. So since there's 6 squares, the cube that's made must have a surface area of 54. And that's really what you were saying by your answer. So your question is about surface area, and this question here is about volume. Is that what you're trying to say?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, what do you think?
What if we think of those two together? Because we're talking about the surface area, which is the outside, and we're talking about the volume, which is the inside. So if we put it together, we're basically talking about the whole entire square. So why don't we put it together so both answers are kind of the same? So we put it together and it becomes one, and we can see if that works.
I was saying that the question could be, what is the surface area and the volume of the net once it is constructed?
Who agrees with that one? Brandon, do you agree? Brandon, do you agree?
Both of the questions together to make one question that's related to each other.
I think Kelsey's question is really good at combining both of ours, and it makes a lot of sense. So I think we should vote to see if we agree on that.
So does anybody disagree? Does everybody agree? Yes. Yeah. Well, if nobody disagrees, we have a consensus. Agree.
Yeah, now he does them.
Okay, if anyone disagrees, speak now.
Or forever hold your breath.
Who agrees on economy still? Just economy. No one else. Now what? Who agrees on just Alex's? What?
Oh, wow.
Who agrees on the combination?
What?
Okay, what's your argument?
Can I go to the restroom?
I really don't like the combined question idea.
Why
Because
not?
what are we agreeing to?
Both. Both.
Yeah.
We're agreeing to both.
What if we don't like one? Then we can't agree on that.
But everyone majority voted. Okay, so which one do you like? Well, if you get this one, Alex, then you get both.
Yeah, but what if I don't like the combination? Quiet.
Now, yes, Alex, don't
Don't insult her. Yes, sound like you
Okay, so if I take my answer off, that means there'll be no answer for me, and there'll be that one. So we will all agree, unless you won't agree with me, probably. Just then we.
Have a seat. Have a seat. Have a seat. Okay. Wow. That was good. That was really good. Okay, so Bobby said surface area. Alex said volume. Class minus Mia said both volume and surface area, right? And Mia disagreed, not because she didn't think it was a good question, because she just wanted the question. And the class is arguing that if we put them two together, it makes one more enriching question because we're asking both surface area and volume in one question, which, by the way, I think is brilliant. So, Mia, you still disagree?
I disagree because I really didn't like the hobbies, so I wouldn't agree on both.
Good. And why don't you like your hobbies?
Because I don't think area, like the surface area, we learned that yesterday. So I think we need something new to learn.
Okay. What do you guys think about that?
No.
And why is that not a good reason? What do you guys think? Yeah.
Because you can't dwell on
Look, I'm gonna jump right here. Okay, Mia. I actually agree with the class in that it's a good idea to take what we're learning right now and take what we learned yesterday, fuse it together, and make it an even more enriching question than either one. Therefore, do you agree with that? Think that's possible? Yes, it's probably a good idea to take what you're learning today and yesterday, put together, and make it even better. Do you think that's a good idea? And Mia, for the sake of time, would you be willing to switch your answer to this one, seeing the reasoning that we have behind it?
I don't like, I think we should learn one thing at a time.
One thing at a time. You're going to have to give us a good reason, because right now, we're running out of time, and you're the only one. Give us a good reason. Hold on. Give us a good reason why.
Because if you make both of them combined, then what's the point of that if we disagree on both of them for the whole lesson?
I'll tell you why. Because through this discussion, we learned about some concepts, both volume and surface area, that probably wouldn't have come up any other way if we hadn't debated. Wouldn't you agree?
No.
So even though we debated over these two answers, and it seems like there's no reason for us to have debated to get this answer, I actually disagree with you, because through the debate of these two answers, we came up with a new understanding of surface area, because I don't think you guys actually talked about surface area yet. Did they talk about surface area in the afternoon yet?
There's a poster.
There's a poster over there about surface area. So what happens was, through this debate, we learned about a new concept and a concept that we were learning today.